30% upside. Is it possible? Yes. With the charts, what ICICI Prudential is showing us, there is a possibility of 30% upside in next 6 to 8 months. Let's see what the charts are telling us. As we can see, ICICI Prudential, just hold on. ICICI Prudential is showing a head and shoulder pattern. This is the shoulder, the head, again the second shoulder, and a breakout. Important point is it has started going above this black line. This is the neckline. It has closed above the neckline. Important is by Friday it has to be above the black line. So there should be a green candle by Friday, because this is a weekly chart, not a daily chart. Here you can see it is a weekly chart. By Friday, if it is closing above this black line, then it's a confirmation. Also, if we see Ichimoku indicator, Ichimoku, all 5 indications are saying it's a green signal, good to go. How far it will go? It is likely to go up by 233%. 233 points, sorry. How we know? Like I have shared with you in my educational videos for head and shoulder, we have to measure from bottom to the top. We take this arrow, if we keep it at the top, then that shows the target, what target it is likely to go. By when it is likely to reach the target? It is likely to reach to the target by around 30th January or before, but it should have a successful breakout. Please remember, this is a educational video. You have to learn how to trade by looking at these videos and observing how the things develop. It is very important whenever you are trading with technical analysis, you should follow a stop loss. Like I said, you should determine a trailing stop loss from the breakout point till the low of this line and trail it as it goes up. Ichimoku gives you a very clean and clear trailing stop based on the stock movement and the price movement, which is covered in detail in my masterclass. Thanks a lot for watching today's video. See you with some new videos at some new time. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.